On Alpha Insider, you can absolutely automate any trading strategy that you find on the site or a strategy that you bring in that you've created somewhere else. They can be public strategies. You can make your own private and still automate those while no one else can see it. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. So here is the Alpha Insider homepage as of right now. You'll scroll down to where we have the Explore Marketplace, and then you get to a page that looks like this. From here, we can scroll, we can check out the top strategies this year, this month, this week, this day. We can sort by trending, performance, new strategies, which ones are popular, who is subscribing to them. So if I click on popular, we'll see some of the strategies that have the most subscribers, and we can see some of them are doing good, some of them are doing bad. And you have the ability to also search the top search bar or even hit this little drop down and filter strategies to fit exactly what you're looking for. If you have not signed up already, this will be the time to do so. Go up to the top right, click on the sign up button. It'll prompt you for a username, email, password, and you'll have to confirm your password. Once you have an account, which is totally free to do, you don't have to pay for this, you'll then be able to subscribe to strategies, and then you can build out your own portfolio of your own strategies. So now you've got a place to house all the strategies you're keeping track of. Here's an example of how my page looks. I've got some trading bots right here, one that I'm testing on a paper account, one that I have live that's currently rebalancing. We'll talk more about that in a minute. And then we have our subscriptions tab up here, so we can see all the strategies that I have subscribed to over time. I'm keeping track of. That does not mean that I am trading these strategies or I'm automating these strategies. I'm just keeping track of them. And then my portfolio tab is a list of strategies that I have created and I have brought into Alpha Insider. Most of these are from TradingView, but some of them are other methods. This one right here, we have a video from a while back where we talked about how we can create a Telegram trading bot. So what I'm able to do is I'm able to talk to my phone or text on a Telegram channel. And every time I do that, it takes what I'm saying and then translates that to trades. So we can see an example right here. I just made a trade where I had it buy Sol, ETH, and Dogecoin literally 8 minutes ago. And I didn't actually place the trade manually. I just told my Telegram channel to do so. And then it took the trades for me on the strategy, which is also connected to my brokerage. Some of these have a lock icon. That is a lock, meaning it's a private strategy. So I can see it, but nobody else can see the strategy publicly. And some of them I want to keep that way because either I'm testing it, I'm not sure how it's performing, or it's just something that I don't want anyone else to see. Let me sort by top stock strategies on the homepage, and I'm going to add a filter of let's look for at least 10 trades over the past year because we're looking at the past year. This way we can filter by more active strategies. Some of the top ones, we've got this guy right here, which is doing very well, up 125%. We have Tracy Robert Mann, which is actually a member of Congress, on the Congress tracker that we recently added to the site. So every single member of Congress, their trades are being tracked here. And Tracy Robert Mann has been absolutely crushing it. We've got Austin Scott crushing it as well. And then we've got a couple other strategies down here. Let's say that I like this CCI high performance long only strategy by Saucius. What I'll go ahead and do is I'll click on the subscribe button. From there, it's going to give me a little pop-up. I'll understand and agree. I technically could go and click the auto trade button right now, but I'm going to subscribe first and then I'm going to auto trade next. Once I subscribe, the subscribe button will now turn to an auto trade button because we've already put the strategy in our subscriptions tab. Now from here, there's a notification icon. I can actually set alerts. So every time the strategy fires off a trade, the creator posts in the strategy. So not all the time is it just going to be trades in the timeline. The owner of the strategy could post an update. They could say, hey guys, here's what I'm seeing for whatever setup, XYZ. They can give you an update, or they can say, hey, you know, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. Just be prepared. So I can turn notifications on for all of that. And I can also download the Alpha Insider app on the App Store so I can be alerted to my phone, not just via email or through notifications on my browser. The three dots allow us to share, report, or even unsubscribe. And the auto trade button right here is where the money is made or lost. We'll click on auto trade, and then depending upon if it is a stock strategy or a crypto strategy, we're going to have a couple different options from a broker perspective. What that means is if this trading strategy that we are subscribing to trades stocks, and I do not have a trading bot already, which I've got one down here, it will just show the new broker connection. So if it trades stocks, our option right now is Alpaca. I want to clarify a couple things here. I'll talk about the crypto brokers next, and then we'll go ahead and finish out the automation. So with the new PDT rule that just dropped off that required $25,000 in order to have a margin account that allows more than 3 day trades in a 5-day span, well, now that doesn't exist anymore. So in order to have access to margin, which is what the automations on Alpha Insider need, you need to have $2,000 in your margin account. This is going to allow you to day trade freely and obviously utilize margin. So we recently just dropped this number substantially from 25 down to 2,000. And I'd also like to mention, if you are putting $2,000 in your account to trade and your balance falls below, what's going to happen is if you fall below, you're not going to lose all your money. you're just no longer going to have access to the automated trading bot. The bot is going to essentially turn off and you're not going to be able to trade until you get back above $2,000. So you're going to want to have a buffer. And if you have really volatile strategies in there and you do fall below 2,000, just make sure you're aware of that. And you may need to add funds back in if you're going to be using around that $2,000 threshold. To be safe, 2,500 is probably a good spot to start, keeping the leverage lower and then the strategy is not as risky. So now for a crypto strategy, if the strategy is trading crypto, the three broker options are as follows: Hyperliquid, Bitfinex, and Binance. All of these require a $100 minimum deposit. Bitfinex and Binance are KYC required. Hyperliquid, no KYC, and it's a decentralized exchange. If you live in the United States, you'll need a VPN to access Hyperliquid. I'm not telling you to do it. I'm not telling you not to do it. I'm just telling you, if you were to be traveling to the US or in the United States at the time you're logging in, creating your account, or going on to even manually trade in Hyperliquid, you will need to have a VPN in order to do so. When you click on any broker that we offer, there is a video showing you how to set it up. You're going to then need to have your API keys. And once you enter those API keys in the bottom right here, you'll be good to go. Let's go ahead and do that. So I followed the videos, I've added my API keys, and now you're going to get to a page that says this. So for that CCI high performance strategy that I subscribe to, we now get to set our allocations. If it is the first trading strategy that you are looking to automate with that brokerage account, we can set this to any number from 0 to 100. 0 would mean you're not trading anything. 100 is you're using 100% of your balance to trade this strategy. This is actually a really cool feature of AlphaInsider. So you're able to take in a bunch of trading strategies and then specify how much of your portfolio or how much of your account you want to trade each one. So it's a way of diversification and it's a way of risk management. So you can allot smaller amounts to more risky strategies and maybe larger amounts to less risky strategies, or however you see fit. So let's say that I wanted to go 100% into just trading this strategy, meaning my entire account will be trading this strategy. I'm going to go ahead and set the percentage. I can also set it by a dollar amount. So you can put the dollar amount from your portfolio if you would like to as well. Click on save. You'll then get to a page that looks like this. You'll have your information at the top. You'll have your strategies right here. In this case, I only have one and it's a 100% of my portfolio. And then you get to see your trading bot performance right here as well. This button being green means your trading bot is on. When the button is red, that means your trading bot is off. So if it is red, you'll have to click on the button to turn it back on. For example, if I turn it off, it'll prompt me to say stop trading the bot, understand, click on stop. It'll now be closing out positions and then it will turn the trading bot off. If you see this when you first get to the page, click on it. If you want to turn things on, acknowledge and agree, and then confirm. And what it's going to do, it's going to look at what the strategy is currently in, if it is in any positions right now, and it's going to automatically rebalance your portfolio, your trading account, to fit what the strategy is in, whether it's one strategy, two strategies, 3, 4, 5, however many you want, up to 100. You're able to do so. Now, let's say that I wanted to add a new strategy to my trading bot. So what I'll do is I'll go down to the strategy option right here. That is one way to do it. I could go and I could sort on the home page, just sorting through strategies, or I can go to my subscriptions tab and do it that way. It's all going to take you to the exact same place. So from the Alpaca trading bot, I'm going to go to new allocations. It's going to default to your subscriptions. So inside of my subscriptions, I'm going to now look for a strategy that, for example, I wanted to add. And I know that Tracy Robert Mann is crushing it right now. So let's say I wanted to add that Tracy Robert Mann strategy, who's a member of Congress. We're just tracking their portfolio. Now, what I want to do here is I'm going to go 50% into this CCI high performance strategy and 50% into the Tracy Robert Mann strategy. Click on save. It's now going to rebalance my trading bot based off the two strategies, and then we're good to go. A few more things to note inside of here. We can see our strategies here. There's an activities tab down here showing you what's been going on inside your bot. We can see my start and stop and the rebalancing. There's notification icons, so we can have notifications when things happen inside the bot. There's an update keys or a reset performance option as well. Then in the settings, there's leverage and slippage, which I think is more important to talk about here. This is going to be the maximum percentage from the current price that orders can be filled. So most of the stuff I trade is swing trading, so I'll leave it right here, but you can increase or decrease this if you would like to, depending upon your risk tolerance or how much slippage you're okay with allowing. I've got it turned on to rebalance on start and close on stop, which means when I stop the bot, it's going to close out of any active positions. If I don't turn the close on stop on, if I stop my trading bot, whatever I am currently in, so whatever the strategies I was in, whatever it was trading, it will stop trading them, but it's not going to close them for me. So I will then have to go into my Alpaca account, in this case, manually and close them. This is why I have this on. So every time I stop the bot, it just exits out of all my positions and I don't have to worry about it. Now, a couple of notes here. You can revoke the API keys at any time, but if you do so, the bot will no longer be trading for you. Those API keys do not give withdrawal deposit permissions. It's only allowing AlphaInsider to send notifications to the broker and then have the broker take those trades on your behalf. That is all the API keys are doing. When you connect a brokerage account to AlphaInsider to have the trades automated for you, you should not be manually trading in the account. You technically can, but when the strategy is rebalanced, it's going to say, hey, we see something in here that shouldn't be in here, and it's going to get rid of that. So just make sure you're aware of that. If you have any specific broker connection questions, whether it's connecting to these brokers we have or a new broker that may be added to the site in the near future, check out our resources page, or there will be a video underneath the broker selection when you're going to connect it in the first place. Make sure you are staying updated to our website and our social medias. We will have announcements, any new broker connections, anything related to automated trading. We've got you covered. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Happy trading.